Guys, I was at McDonald's because I'm hungry, and Coke test. McDonald's has the worst Coke. It's so washed out. First nozzle. So, und regular, yeah. It's doing the thing, huh? Ach so. I have to press this. So the filling up the gas is very fast, but I don't know when to stop, and this fucking thing stopped 3 times. I hate it, man. I hate it. The European ones are easier. The Starbucks line is real, and it's a snake that's biting itself. What the hell, man? Someone could have done this better here, the planning. This is only drive-through here, guys. It's incredible. I don't know why I do this, but I want a coffee, like everyone else. And just to clarify it, like the gas stations here in America are nice, but the nozzle sucks. I like that you pay at the thing itself. You don't have to go inside or whatever, and it's way more easy, uncomplicated. But this fucking nozzle stopped 3 times, and I thought, okay, when is it enough? Because it's in gallons, not in liters, and I would say that this is here like a 50 liter tank. And I'm like, how much can I still fill in there? But it seems like I missed 25%. No. Guys, I feel offended that they asked me if I want a hot coffee. I don't know what it is with the cold coffees here in America, but when I order black coffee, it has to be hot. Who drinks cold black fucking coffee? And I smell wheat here at the Starbucks. Guys, I'm at Buc-ee's again. I'm on the way to San Antonio, and you pass New Braunfels, so I jumped into this Buc-ee's for a piss, and I bought some sausage cheese biscuit and brisket egg taco. Sounded nice. This taco is expensive. This one is so cheap. I don't know why. And I did the mistake when you come to the Buc-ee's at New Braunfels. I did the mistake to park where you come from the street. Right, there's the I-35. There's the gas stations. And I parked here, like the first parking spot, because I thought, okay, there's the entrance. But this was closed. And you can park directly in front of the entrance, like just around the corner here, where the gas pumps are. And now I know it. But I don't mind to walk a little bit. It's just for you to know. Let's eat something. Oh yeah, and by the way, do you know that weather when it's a bit moist, but it's warm, and it's the nice air. So far it's nice. It's a bit cloudy here, but it's okay. And the smell of this moist, warm air, I love it. Right now the weather is good, but I have to start the car because it is warm in Texas. So I have this jacket on, but it is warm. It is warm. You have to have your car on. So the more time I spend here in Texas, the more it makes sense, right? People are not stupid. I start with this one because this is, I never had a biscuit before as a burger. Let's try it. Let's try it, guys. So. It's crazy how many people are at the Buc-ee's here at 9:30 a.m. at a Monday. No, we have Tuesday. We have Tuesday. Scheiße. I'm running out of time. Look at it. It's nice. It's a nice burger. Okay, that's good. I can recommend it. Okay, try this one, that's good. The combination of sausage, egg and melted cheese has to be warm cheese, not like cold cheese. I never understand why people put it onto a taco or whatever. That's just disgusting. And then they use the pre-shredded cheese. No, don't do that, guys. But sausage, egg and that melted cheese, what a nice combination, sorry. Okay, now the brisket egg taco. Tacos are really a big thing here, right? You don't find them in Germany, but we don't have Spanish-speaking people there. More Italian. Okay, that's what it looked like. That's what it's looked like. And I gotta give it to Buc-ee's. It's so clean. Everything is clean. There was a lady even cleaning the storage for the ice that is outside, and I think Buc-ee's is doing a great job at that. Now even the inside, so many people are there and it's clean. That brisket is nice. The aluminum foil here in America is different. The paper bags are different. This is all heavier, and I like it because then you can package it better. The paper bags don't tear, they don't rip off. More comfortable as a consumer. Of course, it's more expensive, right? I don't know if here in America, but I prefer the American paper bags and the American aluminum foil. So let's go to San Antonio. Some flags. America, Texas. I don't know what that is. Mexico. I don't know what that is. Must be some Spanish. Spanish. I don't know. There's the animal. Oh wait, I'll show you the front. Who's that? That's his wife. Emily West Morgan, the Yellow Rose of Texas. Yellow Rose of Texas.
Astonishingly, only 9 Texans died.
The Riverwalk is nice, yet San Antonio is one big construction site. I'm walking along the Riverwalk. The Riverwalk is nice, but I feel like you could do some more with it. I don't know, just a little bit of tweaking with everything. The restaurants here, or the food places, they look more tourist-y than actual local people go there. Yet it could be a nice place. I don't know if you go into the water here, but I don't know. I don't think anyone goes into the water. I haven't seen a sign. You're not allowed to swim there, but I doubt that anyone would go in there. I regret saying that I like the weather not today, because it's getting too hot. It's getting too hot. It's too moist. I don't know. I was a little bit too fast with my opinion. Texas is different. Okay guys, parking in San Antonio is complete madness. You have to scan codes that they hang out here, and these places don't exist. Then you enter San Antonio and they have no parking spaces here. I don't know, like pay to park there, and then you scan the code, and they don't find anything. And the problem is that you have to verify your phone or whatever. You have to receive an SMS, and I can't receive SMS here because I don't have no phone connection. I just have the German number and internet, but the German number or my phone can't receive SMS. That's a problem. Like, I don't know. I basically don't need it. I just need it for stupid things like that. Yeah, so I drove, I don't know, like 300-400 meters away from where I wanted to be, and there's free parking, I guess. I don't know, like San Antonio was crazy so far, but the weather got better. The sun is eating the moisture, and it's actually nice now. It's actually nice now. I'm going to the Pearl Pullman Market. I don't know what it is, but it was recommended to me. $10 for pain au chocolat, and I don't know what that is. Ah yeah, I got the donut. Nice. Guys, this Berliner, this donut is $5. $5.50. El Mercado, the market. Yeah, this market there, Mexican market, it's okay. I mean, it's nice to see all that stuff, but I don't know what to do with it, right? I'm not Mexican, or I would never design my house in such a colorful way, and I don't know, it's just nothing for me. It's just nothing for me. Now I want to go to the San Antonio Tea Garden, or the Japanese tea garden. It's San Antonio is a bit smaller than I thought. I mean, I had my points, but it's faster than I imagined it will be, and it's getting hot here in Texas. It's getting hot. Like, it's saying 74 degrees Celsius, Fahrenheit, 74 Fahrenheit. And yeah, it's weird that some people have long clothes on, some short. I don't know, man. I definitely don't feel stupid having this on when it's that Japanese tea garden. That looks a little bit sad. Four hours in, and I have seen everything I planned for San Antonio. I'm sweating, I'm hot, not hungry yet. It's 2:17 p.m. I got something to do. I got still something to do and spend time. But I don't know what to do here in San Antonio. Going to a museum made me realize it's not that I can't draw. I draw like someone that lived 10,000 years ago. Look at that. I would do the same. Like, there's the body, feet, hand, and stuff. Hair, something. I don't know. Dude, I'm so bad at drawing. Okay, I can recommend you the Whitty Museum in San Antonio. Going to a museum in America has a little bit Jurassic Park vibes. You never know what they plan, right? You never know what they plan. I think that's it for me in San Antonio. I will drive back to Austin and eat something. I'm getting hungry, but I have to fill up my gas as well. I don't know if I do it again at Buc-ee's. I think I do it at Buc-ee's. I'm on the way back and I stopped at Buc-ee's again because I needed to piss, right? And that's on the way, and Buc-ee's is actually nice. I became a huge Buc-ee's fan now. That's the Buc-ee's Coke, not the Dr. Pepper. And the Buc-ee's Coke, I give it a thumbs up because it's good. It could be a little more Coke flavor, but that's a common pattern here in the US. It is crazy the amount of people that are here at Buc-ee's, buy something, fill up the gas, and then sit in their car, engine running, drinking, eating, I don't know, just talking, spending time here. So many people here. Buc-ee's is crazy. I love Buc-ee's. I fell in love with it. Okay, the Buc-ee's nozzle actually filled up 100%. I think I was at the worst gas station there is in America. Guys, this is a random Tuesday 7 p.m. worshipping here at Christian Life Austin. What the hell? Guys, I was at McDonald's because I'm hungry. And Coke test. McDonald's has the worst Coke. It's so washed out. And I got a burger and some fries. Well, my health is so bad. The fries are actually okay. I drove to Silke Park because I like the view here. Okay. Looks like a McDonald's burger. A lot of onions. Please don't kill me. And it tastes like McDonald's. There's absolutely no difference. So it's an okay burger. Do we have full moon?